don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership on the Pirates 1. Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by Lomzi.
Thibo.
Yeah,
Umnandi. Uyazi. Isikhathini esiningi ngiyayiphula mara namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu.
Sure.
Ngifuna ukukhuluma kancane nje. Look, i-game Thibo.
Yeah.
Was a good game.
Yes.
I think the game it's always a game half.
Sure.
And I don't like that.
Yeah.
You know, I think if you are a coach and you tell yourself you want to dominate the whole game.
Yeah.
I'm a 50-50 in terms of the first half you're dominating, then the second half you're not dominating.
Yeah.
If you're going to be a coach and you say your philosophy is to dominate,
sure,
dominate the whole game.
Dominate.
Thibo, ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngama tactics.
Yeah.
I want to talk about one thing. Being clinical.
Yeah.
That's what separates the great from the best.
Why?
Being clinical.
Sure. Clinical. Dead.
Clinical.
Dead.
Given two opportunities, look what it does. Thibo, Sundowns was nowhere in the game in the first half.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates was playing on a counter, it was the counter. They're not doing anything.
Sure.
They can't find each other in the final third.
Yeah.
Pambili, a lot of missed passes. Then last pass, Ayiko.
Yeah.
My issue comes there. If you want to be so great and you want to win the league,
yeah,
if you're not clinical, what are you going to do? Because lazy. There's a clock up.
Yeah.
Must pump the ball as done the pass. Thibo, today it was not that Sundowns was way better than us.
Yeah.
No, don't get it twisted.
Sure.
I still stick no Dr. Khumalo. And if you think Dr. Khumalo is insane, check yourself.
Yeah.
Dr. Khumalo is telling the truth.
He was right.
This is not a Sundowns that we know.
Yeah.
And for the fact that Orlando Pirates has so many chances but couldn't, and for the fact maybe pega press conference ka coach Wadu, he even mentions it Guti angifuna abantu abazodlala lapha phambili. Mongekho serious phuma.
Sure.
I want to say one last thing, Thibo. Angeke ngimxolele lo coach lo. Angeke. Never in my life ngizomxolele lo coach. You know why?
Why?
How do you have the best player, the best midfielder in the whole country and you don't put him in? How do you have the best midfielder in the country and you don't put him in? So why are you buying players? You see later a player le Pirates yes Kavata, and some of you Pirates fans go around Pirates don't you think about the players that have to play? And we're wasting money. Use the players that we have. The second thing, there's no continuity with Orlando Pirates. The last season squad is not this season squad. Where do you think you're gonna go when you're not building? Besimlola lento leyo coach Wadu the time bafuna ukumshaya. You know why? Because amachita bebakhala ukuthi where's talent Mbatha, where's Banabana. I'm not saying he should choose those players, sure, but I'm saying can there be continuity in the team so that there's progression. Lastly khona iHotman Lamla umbizo MK wasekasi photographer cela nimfollowe lapho MK Short ngiyabonga.
Thank you Bafethu.